Hello everyone, PC Mentor is here and I hope you are doing well. Today in this video I will be showing you that how we can fix this problem. You are disconnected from the server. I will show the best 3 methods of the network problem with which we can fix this problem. The first method, enable network data for the application. The second method, game server problem and how we can fix this. The third, I would recommend and suggest the best gaming tool for Among Us. So I request here to watch full video and like it. First of all, go to mobile settings and click on apps and notification. Click on apps. Here you have to find Among Us. Once you have opened it, click on the data usage and scroll down. Now enable these two options and also switch to the Wi-Fi if you are using LAN network and also enable these two options so that the application receive data in the background. I have given link in the description, just click on that and download this tool. I have already downloaded it. As you can see here, it has been opened. Click on the plus icon. Here you can add your Among Us game. I have already added it. Now I am going to click it. First of all, it will clear the background cache and memory, and it will increase the performance of the Among Us, and later on it will configure. Now come back to the game and click on the server. Here you have to change your server, either Asia, America or Europe. Now I am going to start the game and here we go. As you can see, the game has been started and we got no such an error. In this way you can fix and get rid of that problem. I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure like it and don't forget to subscribe. Still, if you have any question regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.